Hello everyone, my name is Takanari Koyama. Today I would like to introduce I Puritani of Giovanni Bottesini. I Puritani is a great piece, great opera, incredible history, composed by Bellini. This opera is about war of the three kingdoms, or we called this Puritans revolution. Before the first note, piano part plays as accompaniment a lot of music increase. So we have to keep this tension of the feeling, and we play for the first note. And if I use for the first note too much bow, like, then I have problem to play second note. And also if I play too soft, it's okay, but for me it's too passive. So try to keep this tension. It's always good if we calculate before the playing how many bow we use and how much tension, of course, where we play. So this second passage is exact double tempo as the first passage. So if I play this first passage in this tempo, and if it's faster, of course it's very difficult to play perfectly double tempo, but try to make fast as possible. Beginning of the cantabile. So it's very important to connect one note to the next note. So we have to think what is a perfect bow tension for this note and next note. Like here. So we keep always same tension with very heavy bow. Even if we have some position changing, doesn't matter, we play. Or keep the same tension on the bow. And then we have double stop. So it's been double finger for two notes at the same time, I mean. It's very difficult. We prepare as double stop, but we play just for one note. And also for another note. And now I check, is everything okay or not? So if we have double stop, the bow tension should be like 50% and 50% for both strings. So it means we have to try to play near the bridge, because if we play near the bridge, the vibration of the string is coming to the body of the instrument very quickly. So it's always good to play near the bridge. And maybe not too much bow. Of course, we need to play with a lot of bow, but not all of this. We have some interesting notes after this. Because Bottesini could write like we know pa-ra-dee-ra, pa, but he wrote ta-pa-ra-ra, pa-pa-ra. Why is it? I think if we have such note like 2 instead of 2 and 2, so it's 1, 2, 3. So then we have for these 3 notes immediately different sound quality, because we have other tension, because for the first note we can play how many we want, but for the 3 notes we need to know to exactly know how many bow we use. Like this, we cannot play, then we don't have enough bow. For me, this makes more tension, which is also easy to make musical increase to the next bar. So as this is like normal, it's not so interesting. Also, it's easier to make crescendo. So try to play like this.